this MDC region.
The talks between the state government and the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association yesterday remained inconclusive, with the latter deciding to continue their protests until something concrete came from the side of the government regarding their demand. Meanwhile, Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma said that he met both the group and had a meaningful discussion. Vice President of AMSSA-STA, Defender S. Lamare, said the process may take longer because the matter has been handed over to the Education Commission and are awaiting a report from them to make a decision.
So we don't have any issues on that, but we expect that the government will speed up the process so that our teachers do not suffer. We are suffering for the last 16 days. So we do not suffer more because we need to go to our respective schools. Students need to be taught and to address our academic session also. And moreover, the exam is very, very near. So we are aware of that, but we are compelled to move to the street for our demand.
15 villages in Block 2 of Mauhati constituency in